Hi, my name is John. I'm a student and I live in a small city. Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I feel a little sleepy, but I get out of bed. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I sit with my family and we have breakfast together. Today feels different. Today is special. I have an English class. At 8 o'clock, I leave my house and walk to school. It's not far, just a short walk. The weather is really nice today. The sun is shining, and the air feels fresh. When I arrive at school, I see my teacher. Her name is Miss Anna. She always smiles and says, "Good morning." In class, we learn new English words. We listen, we repeat, and we practice speaking. Sometimes it's a little difficult. But I don't give up. Today, I understand more than yesterday. That makes me feel happy. After class, I talk to my friend, Ollie. We try to speak in English together. We make mistakes. We laugh. And we learn. In the afternoon, I go back home. I have lunch and take a short rest. Later, in the evening, I study my English again. I watch a video and listen carefully. I repeat the words again and again. Before I go to sleep, I think about my day. And I smile. Because today, I learned something new. Today was a good day.
Okay, you listened to an English listening podcast. Now you can answer the first question. What time does John wake up? The second question. How does he go to school? The third question. What does he do in the evening?